What's up, guys? So today we're actually gonna go to Zoo Culture. I don't know if you know Bradley Martyn, but he owns that gym. He's a pretty cool YouTuber. So yeah, Gaines, let's hit this dude.
Gaines, dude, right here.
Ooh.
Bradley Martyn, baby. Am I bigger than him? I don't know.
Damn, bro. Baller status. Look at all these hats. So guys, I went to see my hat vendor guy, and I got a bunch of hat samples, including the one I'm wearing right now, to make for BLIPFILMS. So it's pretty cool. It's another reason why I went to even Cali. Yo, dude, drop the top, bro.
Alright.
Dude, Waller.
Yo.
Dude, can I have your number?
Yeah, it's 42.
He almost said it though. Damn it. Someday I'll get his number, guys.
Can I get you fellas to sign in real quick on a signing sheet right here? And then it'll be $15 each for the day, you guys.
Awesome, perfect, thank you.
This gym's pretty dope, bro. What do you think about this gym, man?
I'm super hyped to lift, man. Look at this face.
Oh, yeah. Look at his face. $225. See if he can hit it. Damn, dude, he's strong. Nice, bro. Yeah. So guys, I'm with Bradley Martyn.
What's good? Yeah.
And he's showing me his truck he got.
You came out to Zoo Culture to train, right?
Oh yeah, of course.
And then I was like, oh, well, I got a truck, because you're like, oh, I talk about cars. So I got a truck. Did you see my video where I was talking about, this is like,
holy shit.
This is space age material though. That's from NASA and Elon Musk.
What?
Yeah.
That's
it's
so
very
awesome.
hard, like it's very hard to touch. But in an accident, it's like a big bubble around the whole car.
You should somehow like get
Like a force field?
Yeah.
You should
Exactly.
somehow get Elon Musk to sign the bumper.
Yeah, it's just on the inside. You can't show
painted
you
over,
that.
right?
Well,
Yeah,
yeah. It's painted over, right? Yeah.
And this is in carbon fiber. It's fiber carbon.
Fiber car.
Yeah, it's a new technology right there, dude. It's impressive. Yeah, that's the most expensive part of the car. It's literally this O. That O, dude.
Wait, really? No, you're fucking with me. You're
with you.
fucking with me.
Everything I'm saying is
For a
BS
second, I was
right now,
like,
dude.
I can't
Fucking
tell
on
you
this
what.
shit. No, I mean realistically, it's those. They're like yeah.
Those lights?
Cups? Yeah. Those cups and shit. And the lights here, these stealth lights. Yeah.
Okay.
No, because you can't really.
Okay.
Because like those lights, normal lights, you can light up normal stuff. This is like when shit's invisible, you see it. That's why there's like this has a different shade on it.
Yeah.
That's for the invisibility stuff. Makes sense.
What's your favorite part about the truck?
Tires.
The tires?
The tires and the way the car sits.
Yeah?
I like how high.
Oh.
So I drove a G-Wagon before, which is really cool. But like, I was just too big for it, to be honest. So that's, like, I'm in the G-Wagon, I felt like this. I loved it, but you're in here and you're like this.
Yeah.
And then the way it sits on the road is really nice. And the hardest part, the worst thing about the car is parking it.
Parking it?
But that's it. But they have a ton of technology that like makes it as easy as possible. So.
Yeah.
Parking just because of the size, like finding spaces, that's all.
Yeah.
But as far as like the actual parking, it's not as hard as you would think it is. It's just literally the amount of space it takes up makes it hard to park. But they have like all these like sensors, so you can like, it has like a 360, like a weird view where you see the whole thing. I don't know how they do that. That's one of the most interesting.
Oh yeah, there's cameras on every single side of the car, and they put it all like together, and
Which
then
is nuts. That's the crazy
that's
thing.
crazy. Yeah.
That's where I'm like, that. Who did that? That's definitely.
It's pretty cool. Oh, it looks like
technology.
It looks like you kind of backed. Oh my God, you almost backed in.
Bro, I'm a legend, bro.
Damn. Holy shit. That is.
Parker, I told you. Didn't I just tell you?
Oh my God. That's so close. Bradley, you're a legend, bro.
But for parking though. I try to tell you, man. Try to tell you. That's how good the technology is in that thing.
Oh my.
Yeah, and then it's just knowing.
That's less than an inch, guys. That's less than an inch. Holy shit.
Actually, it's funny. I didn't know that until you just put it out right now.
Oh my God.
That's super cool. Yeah.
Now every time he parks, he's gonna have to like look in the back, and be like, dude, that was almost. Yeah, you should get closer.
Awesome.
That's awesome as hell.
Wow. That made me feel good.
Yeah. Holy shit.
But it is. I mean, I back up my truck every day. That's why I think I back it up into. I back it up here, and then I back it up at home when I park. So I think that's why I'm used to it. Damn, that is
good. He's like he's double checking. Look at your shoes, man.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, look, you see how close?
Oh my God.
You're fucking close.
Yeah,
you're literally less than an inch.
That's impressive.
You're literally less than an inch, man.
But then, yeah, I just like the tires, man. I like the way it sits.
It looks aggressive as hell.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
So one thing, guys, is Bradley looks a lot taller in person.
No.
And bigger, no, small. I was thinking smaller, but next thing you know, there's a right hook to my face. What'd you fucking call me?
No, I don't even care.
Well, it's an awesome truck. Bradley, thanks for showing it to us.
Yeah, hell yeah, of course.
Of course. All right, guys. Well, thanks again, Bradley Martyn. You're a homie, man. Peace.
So now I'm out to pretend to call me the goods. Coming with the mopo and the girl that you know. Waiting for the boy, they wanna copy the flow.
Hey, welcome to my humble abode. That is the 25th G-Wagon we've seen while we're here.
We've been counting every single G-Wagon that we've seen in California since our stay. And yes, we are at like 25. Like, to be honest though, I feel like, Connor, what do you think? Don't you feel like we should have seen more?
Honestly, we've seen 25. I thought we were about to see 125.
50,
I thought we were going to see 125.
Yeah.
We'll show you the next one we see though, I promise. I promise. Right, George?
Promise.
All right.
I wanna see how it goes with you.
Hi. Thank you for tuning in. We are at Santa Monica Pier. Want me to say right now? I don't know.
Just be yourself, man. Be your blip film self right here.
Oh yeah?
Tell the viewers what they want to see.
Okay.
Do they want to see that?
Well, thank you, Bradley Martyn, for showing us, taking the time to speak with us, and your truck was awesome. We also worked out at his gym. Awesome place. It's definitely for the games.
Oh,
flex
right,
on him? Oh,
Flex on him? Okay,
so small,
okay.
Oh yeah. Bradley Martyn's huge. When I was next to that guy, I remember, so going back into the Airbnb we were staying at, I was looking in the mirror, and I was like, with no shirt on, I'm like, fuck. You know, Bradley Martyn, you put my arms together, and maybe one of Connor's arms, and it'll make one side, and a leg maybe, and that'll fit one of his arms. Especially, oh my God. 2 of my thighs will fit one of his.
Dude, he was honestly huge. George is understating it. Like, you seriously could put 2 legs together, and that's how big his arms are. No joke. I'm not even bullshitting you or anything. That's how big he was.
Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. We're at Santa Monica Pier right now. We're gonna get some cool Instagram shots and Facebook shots, just because we gotta fly out back to Seattle. I'm definitely gonna move here in the future. This place is awesome. California is awesome. I hope you liked the video. Before this one, it was me just checking out LA. So yeah, all right. Thanks, guys. Peace out. I got a cool little
House full of heroes, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your window. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal.